Hello everybody. So in previous lecture we learned about what is if statement. Okay. So now we will learn what is if else statement, if else if ladder, nested if else and switch case. Okay. So let's start. So what is if else statement? Let's take an example. So you know what is if statement? So here if there is a one block of code, okay, if here some condition will be there. Okay. In this condition, this condition is true, then this will execute this line of code, otherwise the remaining code will execute it. Okay, then if else condition, in if else condition, what will happen? See, if this is a line of code, okay, this is a line of code, and we have another line of code here, okay, here, and another one should be here, okay. What happens here? Here will be one condition, okay. The condition would like this. See, here will be some condition. If condition is true, then this will follow, execute this code. If condition is false, then that else code, the else code will follow. Okay, the compiler will execute else code. Okay, the condition is like let's take an example. If age is greater than 18, if age is greater than 18, if condition is this condition is true, okay, then the compiler will execute this line of code. If the age is smaller than 18, so it is false, then compiler will execute else part. So this else part. So this is called if else statement. See, again I am going to repeat. See, if the condition is true, it will follow if statement. If condition is false, then it will follow else statement. So let's take a example. Let's take an example. Let me open the example sheet. Yeah, see what if else statement. So write a program to find the maximum number of 2. See, if else statement. Let me copy this question. Let me write here, take a new file. Largest number of let's import java.util hash. Let me make a class public class largest number. Public static void main adjust. Let will write here. Okay, wait a minute. Largest number. So what will be the what was our question? Let me find here. Write a program to find the maximum of 2 number. Okay, see, let's write here. Let's take int a is equal to 12, int b is equal to 14. Okay, let's check. If a is greater than a is greater than b, then we will print out system dot out dot Print ln a is greater, a is greater number. Okay, then we will write else part, else, copy paste this. See what will happen here. Okay, see, this is a is 12. Oh, sorry. Yeah, a is 12 and b is 14. See what will be the condition. If a is greater than b, a is greater than b, the condition is false. So it will not execute this line of code. Okay, then it will jump to the else part, and here will be this line will code will be run. So a is a greater number. Sorry, there will be, we have to write b. Okay, here will be right, the b is a greater number. Let me explain here. Wait a minute. See what is our code. Condition is there, a greater than b. Okay, if statement, what is a is equal to we take 13, b is equal to we take 14. Okay, let's see here. If a is greater than b, let me write whole code, line of code, this line of code. Okay, see, if a is greater than b, seriously, a is greater than b? No, a is not greater than b. So what happened? This condition will be false. The compiler will not execute this line of code. Okay, it will directly jump to else part. Okay, else part, and this line of code will be run. If in case, in case if in case, okay, a is 17 and b is 14. If a is greater than 14, yeah, see, a is 17 and b is 14, then 17 is greater than 40. That means the condition is true. So definitely compiler will execute this line of code and will not jump to the else part. Okay, directly continue their code, what will be written downside. Okay, so this is a if else statement. So let's run the program. So here what will happen? A is greater than b, the condition will be false. Directly jump to the else part. The else part, what will be written in the else part, that line of code will be executed by the compiler. Let's run. See, the 14 is greater number. Okay, let's consider. Let me take here 17. Let's save the program. Let's run it. See, sorry, what's happened here? Interface class. Let me run again. Yeah, 17 is a greater number. Yeah, let me do big. Okay, can you able to see now? Okay, see. So this is a this is a program of if else statement. Let me repeat again. See the condition. If a is greater than b, there it is true. Then compiler will compile this line of code. Otherwise, it will jump to here. If the condition will fall, it will the compiler jump to the else part. Then this line of code will be run. Okay. Now let's do the another example. See. Determine if a person is eligible to vote based on their age. Okay. See, in our India, what's happened? If the age is greater than 18, that person is divisible. Sorry, that person is eligible for vote. Okay. Let's run this code. Java. Okay, we will write here something. Let's copy paste this. Let me delete this. Okay, vote. Okay, let's VOT vote. Let's save this. Okay, let's check that int age. Age, let's consider age is 19. Okay, let's write a statement if age is greater than 18, if age is greater than 18, so what it will print? System dot out dot print, it will print yes, 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 it is eligible. Oh, sorry, I have written this wrong here. Wait a minute. Oh, what the hell? Okay, now it's okay. So yes, it is eligible. Okay, if the age age is less than 18, then what it should be print? No, it is not eligible. Okay, let me run this program. No, it is not eligible. Okay, so according this code, what will be the answer? See, age is given 19. If age is greater than 18, so it will print yes. So definitely condition is true. The compiler will compile this line of code. Okay, or definitely the compiler will not execute this line of code. Okay, let's run. What's happened here? Else, yeah, else class interface. Let's do it again. Yes, it is eligible. Okay, if let's consider the age is 10, so what will happen? No, it is not eligible because this condition is false. Definitely it will jump to the else statement. Okay, so what happened if I write age is 18? What will happen? See, what will happen here? Thus, age is greater than 18. Okay, the age is greater than 18, then only the condition will be true. But here what happened? Age is equal to 18. So definitely age is not greater than 18. It is equal to 18 means the condition is false. It will jump in else condition. So it will definitely print no, it is not eligible. Okay, no, it is not eligible. See, but what happened if I give age is greater than equal to 18? If I use right here the age is greater than equal to 18, so then this condition will true. Okay, this condition will true, the it will print yes, it is eligible for, yes, it is eligible for vote. Okay, yes, it is eligible. Got it? So this is how the if else statement work. So now jump to the another topic, another type of the another type of conditional statement. So this our statement is completed. Now what is if else if ladder? Okay, let me explain first. So let me explain first. See what's happened here. See, if else statement means if the condition is true, otherwise false. If condition will be true, it will run this code. If false, if the it will run else code. So what happens in the if else if ladder? See, here is a line of code. Okay, okay. If the customer, see, let's take an example. Here I write January, Jan, January code. Okay. Here I will write February code, February, then March, then I will go April, dot, 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 then ending to December. Okay. So what will happen here? If I took the input from the user that if he want to run the code of the February, okay, if you want to run the code of February, so what will happen? It take the user input like Feb, if check, if condition here, it will start from here. If condition is true, if the user want to go to a here, which means January, so if it is true, it will run this. But what happen if we want to go here? Here will be right else if. Okay. But if what's happen, the user want to go April month. He want to check the April month's data. So what will happen? First of all, he will check here. This what compiler will do? He will check this January month. No, April is not equal to January. Then it will jump to the else if. Else if. Okay, he's asking if condition again. Else if. So else if what it will done? If it will compare again, April is equal to February. No, it will not. Again, it will jump to the else if. Okay. Then it will, what will happen? It will compare again. The condition will be checked again. April is equal to March. No, it will not. Again, it will jump else if. Yes, the condition is true. Then it will execute this line of code. Okay. So what's happened here in if else? In if else, what happened? There only one condition will be there and two code will be separated. Okay. See, in if else, if the condition is true, it will execute this line of code. If otherwise, it will jump to the direct else part of the code. But in the if else if ladder, what happened? First of all, the condition will check to the first if part. If it is not, if it is not true, means it is false. Then we jump to the else if. Here again the statement, the condition will be checked. Okay. If again it will jump to the else if. Here again condition will be checked. Again condition will be checked. Okay. After that, all of the if statement, that else if statement false. Okay, it become false. Then after that remaining, it will jump to the else part. So definitely after all the condition is false, okay, all the condition is false, then it will jump to the else part, that is December. Got it? So in this, how the else if, sorry, if else if ladder work. So this is a one type of ladder form. See what happened here. If the condition is true, it will follow this, it will run this, otherwise it will check again. If else if, it will condition is false, then again it will go, it will check for the else if condition is false, again it will check for else if the condition is false, then last word what happened, else part. Definitely at the end, if the all the statement of the condition is false, then definitely else part will run here. So it is a forming one type of ladder. See, so this is why the name given as, this is why the name given as if else ladder. Okay, is if is ladder. So let's take a one example for this. Okay, let's try to do code. What will be the first? Let me check here. For what will happen here? I think we forget to do this hard question of if else statement. Okay, so let's cover it for this. Then after that, we will jump to if else if ladder. Okay, sorry for I forget to do this hard question of this if else statement. So let's do it. Write a program. Sorry, write a program to classify is a triangle, isosceles square. Sorry, isosceles or scale length based on the side length. See, this is a not a if else statement. This is a, this question come in the if else if ladder. This wait a minute. Okay, three number can be reasoned by a right angle. Okay, see. So do one thing. I'm not going to solve this question. I'm sorry, I forget to do these two question. Okay, but this is a part of if else if ladder. Okay, this question is a part of it if else if ladder. Okay, so this is a part of if else statement. So I will give the condition how it will be solved. Let's copy the question. Okay, Let me write here question. Okay. See, determine the number is represents side is a right angle triangle. Okay. See what will happen here. Just see. Let's consider triangle has a three side A, B, C. Okay. Just we have to check with the help of that sides given. We have given by the side will be given to us. Okay. So we have to check with the help of side the triangle will be right angle or not. Okay, so you know that we have one formula. Okay, c square is equal to a square plus b square. If this condition is true, then it means that the triangle is right angle triangle, otherwise it is not a right angle triangle. Okay, let me do the rough. See here, let's take a variable has a variable as 25, b variable as 25. Okay, yeah, b variable has 25. Oh, what's happening here? And c variable has 10 square. Sorry, what will happen here? What will be the answer? See here, 5 square we get 25. 5 square we get 25. 5 plus 5, what we get? 10. So 10 square we get. Okay, see, let's me teach. See, let we have to condition here. If, if, see, sorry. We have to give condition if C into C equal to, if C into C equal to A into A plus B into B. Okay. See, what is a condition will be the if C into C equal to A into A plus B into B, then if this condition is true, then it is a right angle triangle. Okay. This is a right angle triangle. If the condition is false, it will definitely jump to the else statement. Then it will run. This is not a right angle triangle. Okay, got it. So why I taken here the C into C? See, the formula is C square plus A square plus B square. See, wait a minute. See, formula is C square is equal to A square plus B square. What does it mean? C square can be write C into C. A square can be write A into A. B square can be write B into B. Okay, so this is how we will check it is a right angle or not. Okay, let's jump to the next question. What we have that if else if ladder. Okay, let's take this question. Write a program to assign grade A, B, C, etc. based on the percentage. Okay, see here we will use if else if ladder. Let me copy paste this. Okay, let me clean this. Grade, GRAD grade. Okay, grades. So what happen if a grade what on the based on the percentage marking system. Okay, let's percentage equal to 60. Okay, let's consider GRADS grades. Okay, see, let's consider where is rough one. Yeah, how we will solve this. Let's consider we have grade is A, B, C. We have three types of grade. So let's consider if the student's percentage, okay, student percentage is greater than 80. If student percentage is greater than 80, so we will give them system out print, we will give them A grade. Okay, So, but if the student percentage is greater than 60, so we will give them SOP. SOP means systems out println. Okay, so we will give them B grade. Okay, if the percentage students percent is less than 60, so definitely it will be C grade. So let's write the code here. See, first of all, I will write if condition. If percentage greater than 80, so it will print A. Okay. If, sorry, else if percentage is greater than 60, so we will write B. Then else part. So definitely the percent is not greater than 60. It means the it is less than 60. Okay. It means the percent is lie between 0 to 60 range. Okay. So definitely that student will get C grade. Okay. This is a code for this is a code for this problem. Okay. Let me write here code C. Let's consider the percentage is 60. Okay. Let me write small percentage. Okay. It's 60. So if PR is greater than 80, greater than 80, then what we will use? We will use system.out.println. We will give A grade. A G R A D A grade. Okay. Else if the percentage is greater than 60, so we will write here if the students get percentage greater than 60, then we will write here it will get B grade. Okay. Otherwise, else part, so definitely it will be less than 60. So we will give here C grade. So this is how if else if ladder work. C grade. Okay. So let's consider if the person is greater than equal to 80. Okay. Here also greater than equal to 80. Let's check. So what will happen here? Let me see what will happen here. See that percentage of student is 60. Okay. The percent of student is 60. What will happen here? If the first statement, first condition, percentage of student is greater than equal to 80, definitely the condition is false. So it will jump to the else if part. Else is statement. Okay. There in this statement, the compiler will check this condition. If percentage is greater than equal to 60, yes, the condition is true because the percentage is equal to 60. If the percentage is equal to 60, so definitely it will execute this line of code. Okay, the answer of this code will be B grade. Oh shit, yeah, what happened? By mistake, I deleted this file. What the hell? Let me write again. I'm very sorry, guys. Let me check. Yeah, it will be written now. Okay, see. Let me check the answer. See, B grade. Okay, this is B grade. So now, what will happen if I take the percentage of student is 30? So what will happen? It will check this condition. This condition is false. It will jump to the compiler, will jump to the if else statement. In also this condition is false. Then finally, what's happened? Else statements are here. So it will directly jump to the else statement. Okay. See the C grade. The student has got a C grade. Okay. Then let's jump to the next question. Okay. The next question is determine the discount percentage based on the percentage amount. Okay, example 5% for up to 100, 10% for 10 to 500. Okay, this is a question. It's very easy. Let copy paste this. Okay, let's discuss first question. Discount. Okay, let's discuss first this question. What is the question? Yeah, this is our question. Okay, the question is, the question is this. Determine the discount percentage based on the purchase amount range. Example, it's taking the 5% discount for rupees up to 100. Up to 100. Okay, 5% discount for up to 100 means let's consider the range of 0 to 100. Okay. Now the second is 10% discount for 101 to 500. Okay. Let's we consider more. 20% discount for 501 to 1000. Okay. Understand? So what will the logic here? Simple. Previous one, like previous we get A grade, B grade, C grade as comparing the what? As comparing the percentage. So here, what will be the what we will take to compare the compare this discount? We will take amount, purchases amount. Okay. Let's consider the amount. Amount is 106. So 106 lie on this range. So this means 10% discount. Okay. If the amount will be there like 606, okay, 600. The 600 will lie here. The customer will get 30% of discount. If the amount is 6%, so 6, or let's consider 17. So definitely this range will be there. The customer will get 5% of discounts. So let's execute this code. Let's consider ENT amount. Oh, let's take amount. We take, let's take consider as 167. Okay. So first of all, what we have to write? If condition, if amount is smaller, sorry, smaller than equal to 100, then it will print system dot out dot print. So what it will write here? It will write 5% discount. Okay, let's copy this line. Okay, if what happen? If let me write else if. Okay, else if. Let's write a condition if amount amount. If amount, what will the range? Range will be 101 to 500. Okay, if amount is greater than equal to 500, then definitely it will run this line of code. For those, they will get 10% discount. Then last, at last, what will be there? Of okay. At last, else part will run. Definitely, else part is more than 500. So we will print here. No, no, wait. Not we. What we have to write? What we consider previously. If the range is 501 to 1000, so then they will get 10% sorry, 30% discounts. Okay, let's write here. Else if, in else if condition, we will write else if amount is greater than equal to 1000, for them they will print here, they will they will get 30% of discount. Okay, for those who are more than 1000, for them else we will write that person will get, that customer will get 35% of discount. Okay, so let's execute the code. The 167, okay, what will happen for first condition? It will be amount is smaller than equal to 100. No, the 167 is smaller than 100. It will, the condition will be false, then it will jump to else if condition. In else if condition, the amount is greater than equal to, sorry, it should be smaller than equal to. Oh, all are written like that. No, it should be smaller than equal to. Okay, if the amount is smaller than equal to 500, of course 169 is smaller than equal to 500, so that customer will get 10% of discount. Let's run the program. Let's check. Let me check again what here is writing system, the unexpected, what that unexpected is here. System.println, yeah, it is right. Let's, yeah, that person get 10% of discount. Okay, see, if I write the amount 908, okay, let's check what it should be there. 908, the amount 908 smaller than equal to 800, false. Okay, it will jump to the else if the amount is smaller than equal to 500, yes, once false. Okay, it will jump to the next else if condition. The amount is smaller than equal to 1000, yes, it's smaller than equal to 1000, means this condition is true. Here now what will happen? Now what will happen? 30% of discount will be there. Okay, let's write 108 90. Okay, what happened? Yeah, what happening with me? 901. Okay, so definitely it will be the 30% of discount. Let's check. See, 30% of discount. But if what happened? If the customer buy as a purchase 2000, of course this condition will fall. Again this condition will fall. Again this condition will fall, that 1000 condition. Okay, again this condition will fall. Then what's happened? There is three, almost all the condition is fall. There is no remaining, no condition is remaining. Then that time the else part will run. All the condition will fall. That time the else part will run. That it will print this line of code. Means that is 35% of discount. See, again this error. I don't know why. See, 35% of discount. Okay, this is how if else if ladder work. So now let's jump to the another question. Now jump to the hard one. Okay, write a program to analyze test scores categories students into pass or fail. Yeah, definitely it is also uh, not so much hard, but easy one. Okay, here is a no need of else if else if. Let me read first. Write a program to analyze test scores in the category students. Definitely Here it is very simple question is this. We have to we have to write first check the we have to set first criteria for the passing. Let's consider. Okay, this is very easy. I'm not going to solve. I will just tell you how roughly. Roughly, I'm going to say it is so easy. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why I put this question in the hard. I don't know. Okay, let's check. See, analyze the test scores. Category student is pass or what. Let's consider the score. Okay, let's consider the score here. Yes, score. Let's consider passing score is 30%. Okay, 30, not 30%. If that student got 45%, let's take a condition. If that student greater than 30 means greater than score. What does it mean? The condition will true. It will print yes, student is pass. Otherwise, at else condition, it is false. Actually, Actually, this question is a part of if else statement. Okay, it's not a part of that. It is not a part of if else if ladder. Okay, let it be. There, let's jump to the another one. Classify the number medium, large. What's happening here? Yeah, actually, what happened? This question is a part of else if else ladder. Okay, this question. And this question is a part of if else ladder. So by mistakenly I written up and down. Okay, there is a no topic wise questions. Okay, no problem. After watching my previous videos and this video, you can able to solve both the both all the topics question. But please, some logic will be there. Okay, in some questions some logic will be there, and try to cover that topics. Okay, because if else statement, this statement anybody can know, means everybody know this statement how it will work, but the logic building is very important. Okay, so what I do, if else if ladder, classify the number large, medium, large. Okay, I will change this question here. It is a if else question. Okay, let me write here first. Okay, but this is a question of if else, but let me add more. Classify a number as medium or large. Let's take small one. Okay. Okay, let's take small. So now what will happen? On user defined threshold, we have to classify the number is small, medium, or hard. Let's consider user threshold. If for small, let's consider uh user threshold is 30. Okay. For medium purpose, let's take 60. For large purpose will take greater than 60. Okay, greater than 60. So, so we have to set this right in condition. If the number, the classify the numbers, if we number taken the number if I put a range of 0 to 30 means it is a small number. If I put the range of 31 to 60, it will the medium number. If I put that the greater than 60, okay, greater than 60, definitely it is a large number. It is similar to the previous question. Okay, it is very very similar to previous question. How we build the logic for this, like 0 to 100, 1001 to 500, 501 to 1000. Okay, same as it is. We have to write here. Just write here what 30, 60, and at the last at else condition. I think no need to write else condition. Definitely, if the both the condition is false. Okay, if the both the condition is false, then else part will run. So definitely the answer will be this. Okay, just try do it by yourself. Okay, now let's jump to the nested if else condition. Nested if else statement. So first explain what is, sorry, first let me explain what is nested if else. So let's start. What is nested if else? So what happened? See, let's take an example. Okay, example. Uh, let's take an example. Which example should I say? Okay, see what will happen here. If you go to the restaurant, okay, if you go to the restaurant, first of all, there will be two condition. Okay, two condition. What we have to eat? We have to eat non-veg. Okay, if we have to eat non-veg or veg. This is a non-veg part, and this is for veg part. Okay, first of all, we have to decide the condition. If the user, if the means user give veg one, so definitely it will jump to here. If the user will choose the non-veg, then definitely it will jump to here. But what happens in the veg? There is lot of menu are available. Okay, lots of menu are there. So again, what happened in this code? Okay, this is a if else code. This is a if else code. Okay, in between, see if the condition is true, this block of code will run. This block of code will run. But under this block of code, again if else condition will be there. To select the menu, what we have to eat? Like we have to go for. Let me rough. We have to go for a starter. Let me wait. Okay, so we have to go for starter. So we have to go for soup, whatever, not soup, the starter only, it is soup only is a starter. So we have to go for main course, okay, the starter, main course. So we have to go for sweet, for veg, for non-veg, okay, for, sorry, for it is for veg. But for in non-veg also, we have to, again, we have to write if else condition, starter, main course, sweet. Means what happened in if nested if else, what happened if there is a code, okay, to code, with the help of if else we decide which code we have to execute, but under that code, okay, under that block of code, there is a, again there will the if else will be there, if else condition will be there. Okay, again if else condition will be there, if else statement there, not if else, every type of if else. There will be if else, there will be if, there will be if else, if ladder, there will be if else, nested if else again. Okay, see again might be, again might be there be if else condition will be there. So the code, the if else statement is under the executed code. Again if else condition will be there, again it will, condition will be there under the executed code. So this is called nested if else. So this is how nested if else work. Okay, let's execute the program for this. Check the year. Oh, in previous video, I solved this question. Okay, I will not going to solve again. Just check this here. Okay, let's take this. Okay, let's solve this question. Okay, write a program to determine if a number is both positive or even. Okay, let's check. Let's check here. Let copy paste this. Let me write here. What we have to write? Positive, positive and even. Oh, sorry, the and will not work here. Positive or even. Okay, let's first discuss the logic. Okay, first of all, let's discuss the logic. See, first of all, the question is, let's check. The question is, determine if a number is both positive or and even. We have to determine the number is both. Means we have to check positive and even. So how we will write this code? See, first of all, we have to find the positive. It is positive or not. So for the positive, logic will be serious. Is very easy. Num is greater than equal to 0. Okay, let's consider equal to 0. Not sorry. Let's consider greater than 0. Okay, not equal to. If number is greater than 0, the first condition will work. Then we will jump to the under this if condition. Then in this condition, we have to check the number is even or not. So let's check if the num is equal to even. If we have to check this num is equal to even. So logic for this even, it's very simple. Even means which is divisible by 2. So this is called an even number. Okay. So let's write here if num mod 2. Okay, if num mod 2 equal to 0. Obviously, the if we divide the number by 2, the even number have 0 remainder. So this is for logic for the even number. So it means this condition is true. Yeah, it is positive number. Again, it will check that it is even or not. This condition will true. Then it will print yes, it is positive and even number. Okay. If this condition is false, so obviously it jump to the else part. Okay. And here we will write no. This is not a positive and positive and even number. Okay. Okay. So let's cover this, enclose the bracket of this. And if at a starting only we get the negative number, so what will happen? It directly jump to the else part. And here what will write? SOP, the number is no, positive and even number. So this is a logic for the to determine the positive and the even number. Let's write in. Let's consider int num 90. Okay, let's take a 90. Let's if num is greater than 0, definitely it will jump to it will be true. The compiler will go inside of the if. Then here again we have to write if condition. Let's check if num mod 2 equal to 0. If yes, that will run system dot out dot print print here what we will print num number is number is positive and even. Okay, we will write this. Okay, sorry, mom, not mom, it is num. Okay, if this is not also a even number, then of course we have to write else part. In else part, what will write? No, it is not a positive number. Okay, let's copy paste this. And num the number is not a positive and even number. But if what happen if the number is negative? So of course, definitely, if the number is negative, the compiler will not go inside. Then we have to write else part. In here we have to write system dot not positive. Okay, let's check. I have taken the 90. Definitely 90 is positive number. It will go inside and also divisible by 2. Definitely it will print 90 number is 90 number is positive and even. Let's check. 90 number is positive and even. Let's consider if I take 41 of this 41. See what happened here. 41 is greater than 0 means it is positive. Okay, but it will go inside this if statement. In if statement it will check again, but 41 is not a divisible by 2. It is not a even number. So in this if statement, this line of code will not execute. The compiler directly jump to the else part. So in this line of code will execute it. So of course, what will be the answer? So 91 number is not a positive number. Not a positive number. Okay, let's run. See, 41. Oh, sorry, 41. Yeah, 41 is not a positive and even. If what happen if the number is negative, minus, okay, 8756, whatever. It is number is negative. Of course, the first condition will be get false. It will not execute in this line. Directly jump to the else part, and this line of code will run. So let's check. See, minus 8756 number is not a positive and even. Okay. So now let's jump to the another question. Okay. See this question. Check if the year is leap year and divisible by 40. So go to my previous video. I have solved this question. Okay. So now let's jump to the hard question. See here what happened. What's happened here? Validate a credit card number by checking conditions such as length and prefix. By checking the condition length and prefix. Length and prefix. See what happened here. Of course, of course, the length of the credit card will be 19 to 13 to 19 digit. Okay, I don't know the perfect number, but some credit card has a 14, 15. Let's consider the range 13 to 19. And what will be the prefix? Like Visa always start with 4. Okay, and Mastercard always start with like 2221 and 2720 something. I don't know the proper number. And American Express maybe start with 34 or 37. Okay, I did not remember the properly. So let's check. Let's execute this code first. See, let I'm executing this here. Okay, here what we have to write? Let's validate a credit card number by checking such as length and prefix. Of course, the length will be, let's consider the length range will be 30, 13 to 19 digit. 13 to 19 digit. Okay. First of all, we have to check the length for date. Okay. And afterward, what happened? We have to check prefix. We have to check prefix. If the prefix is 4, let's consider Visa number start with 4. Let's check. Let's consider Visa number start with 4. So what is there? What is the logic behind this? First of all, we have to consider if the number is given, we will consider 16 digit number. Okay. See, 4320124689004. Let's consider this is a number. So first of all, we have to count this number. how many digit will be there? Okay, first of all, we have to count this number length. We have to find the length. Okay, if this length come between this range 13 to 19 means the first condition is true, it will jump to the next condition. In this next condition, we have to find prefix. Let consider visa. Let consider visa is 4. So we have to find prefix. We have to find prefix. It is divisible by 4 or not. Sorry, not divisible by 4. We have to find first prefix. It should be start from 4 because visa always start from 4. We will just considering. Okay, I don't know the proper, but let's consider the visa always start with 4 numbers. So we have to check prefix. This number always start for 4 or not. If this condition is true, then it will execute and the compiler will run that line of code. So what will be the logic? Okay, first of all, let's check. First of all, we have to count the number of digit, okay, in the credit card number. So what will the logic for this? What will the logic for this? Okay, let's consider. I think at previous video, I have explained this topic. Like we have to take remainder, and we have to count the number. Same logic we have to do here. See what will here? Let's consider while. Okay, while n not equal to 0. Okay, the number will be take here the credit card number. Let's consider 4321 1246 7920. So this is a 16 digit credit card number. So in n, what we are n, if not equal to 0, the condition will true. Okay, of course it will go inside this. Here what happened? Let's take if n. So let's consider variable count, count, count equal to 0. Okay, if n divided by is equal to 10. Okay, did you understand what does it mean? Okay, let me write clearly and let me write in simple way. See what happened here. N equal to n mod, sorry, not mod, here not mod, divided by 10. Okay, divided by 10. So it also can be written as n divided by 10. The meaning is same. Okay, the meaning is same. So this is n divided by 10. What will happen? N divided by 10. N divided by 10. So if we divide by 10, so definitely the n value will be here. One last digit will cancel out, and here what will happen? So we will do count plus plus. So here count will become 1. Again it will go to the this n loop. Here n is not equal to 0, condition true. Then it will again divide by 10. This number will go, last digit number will go. This count 2. Again it will become 2. Okay, again it will go to the n. N is not equal to 0. Yeah, condition is true. It will go back. Again divide by 10. The last digit will cancel. Okay, after last digit cancel, what happens? The count become 3. Okay, again it will go, check the not equal to 0, condition true, it will again cancel this number, then count plus plus, it will become 4. Again not equal to 0, true, this number will cancel, again it will become 5. Again while loop, it will cancel, it will become 6, it will cancel, it will become 7. Okay, it will again cancel, it will become 8. Again it will cancel, it will become 9. Again it will cancel, it will become 10. Again it will cancel, it will become 12. Sorry, 11. Again it will cancel, it will become 12. So it is a 12 digit number. Okay, it is a 12 digit number. So what happened here? Now n is equal to 0. N is not equal to 0. The condition is false because n is equal to 0 now. So this will come outside. So here what happened? Count is now become 12. Okay. Then after that, after we finding the count 12, we have to check if count which come in 13 to 19 range or not. Now what is our count? Count is 12. So definitely it is not under this range. The condition will fall. This will print this. What is the question? This will print the credit card is invalid. Okay, because we have to check what we consider. We consider that 13 or 19 digits. So let's consider if we written here, right here, con card number should be 12 to 16. In this condition, what happened? This number is satisfied. Okay, the condition is true. It will go to the if condition. Okay, in if condition, the another we have to check prefix. We have to check prefix. Okay, got it? What happened? So for the prefix logic, what we will do? So let we understand the count number is 10, 12. What was our number? Our number was, see, let's consider 12 digit number 3, 2, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 2, 4, 0. Okay, this is 12 digit number. Okay, these are 12 digit number. If we want to reach to the this number, let's take, we will take for loop I is equal to 0. Okay, we will start from 0. If 0, 0 is smaller, I is smaller than, is smaller than count minus 1, then I plus plus. So definitely what happened, and here logic will be n is equal to n divided by 2. Sorry, 10. N divided by 10. What happened here? See. Now what happened here? I we take 0. The count is 12. 12 minus 1, it will become 11. Okay. Now 11 times the loop will be gone because less than 11. Less than 11 means 10 times. Means 0 to 10. What will be the answer? What will the count? 11. So what happened? If n, it will divide by 10. This number will cancel. 1, the second loop, third loop, fourth loop, fifth loop, sixth loop, seventh loop, eighth loop, ninth loop, 10th loop, 11th loop. At 11th loop, what happened at n? N we will get 3 number. So which this is a prefix for the credit card number. So this is how the logic for this to find the prefix of the card. So these three, let after what we happen, let's consider if this n is equal to 4, because at previous what we consider prefix 4 for Visa card, the number should be 4. So let's consider prefix is n is equal to 4. No, it is not equal to 4. So means this is not a credit card. Understood? If what happen if the number will be 4, there will be 4. Yes, this condition is satisfied. Okay. Then what will happen? This credit card will be, yes, this number is a credit card number. Understood? What is the logic? So in this, we have learned the two logic. First of all, how to count the digit of an integer number, how many digit are there in the number, and second, to find the prefix of that digit. So mostly this is very similar to the previous one because we have to apply only loop, and this logic is same. See here also this logic. So let's start. Let's start this question. Let me write this question here. Wait a minute. Write this one. Let's copy paste this question. V. Okay, let's copy paste. Okay, let's consider prefix. Let's we considering prefix is equal to 4. Okay, so this is prefix is equal to 4. Now let credit card number. Okay, CCN means credit card number. Let's consider CCN. Let's start with 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 0, 9, 7, 6. Let's consider. Okay, this is a credit card number. For first of all, we have to check. We have to count the digit which is present, which means we have which present in the credit card number. Let's first of all save this code. Valid valid credit card number. Okay, this is the name of our. Okay, let's save. Yeah, for this we have to take long. Sorry, what happened here? Out of range. Okay, yeah, long int. So we should take long int, no? Long int, no, it will long int will not out of range. For the long, we have to write long only, no? If you want to increase the range, okay. Let's search in. Okay, let's search in the another one. Yeah, Uncle Linux. Long int in Java. Okay, sorry, long data type. What will be there? Boolean int. See, for long we have to write long long. So what I have written wrong here? Yeah. Type of int is out of range. Okay, I know it is out of range, but I am written long here. Okay, let's check later. If we have to write while CNN CNN not equal to 0, CNN equal to CNN divided by 10, count count plus plus. Okay, first we have to declare here int count count is equal to 0. Okay, and we have to say this original number. Let's say org. Let's copy paste. What's this happen? Let's take the double. Long should work here. I don't know why in my compiler it is not working. Cn cannot be resolved to be variable. Okay, let's check. Oh, this is not. What's happening here? Okay, first of all, we complete our code. Then let me check. While CNN not equal to 0, CNN. So we consider count. Let's we get a we get count. If count, what we have decided the range 12 to 16. If the count is greater than equal to 16 and count is smaller than equal to 16. Sorry, here should be 12. Then what will happen? We should write, no, not write. Again, we have to find if condition for prefix. Okay, for prefix we have to write code here. No, we will write inside only. Okay, for prefix, for int I is equal to 0, 0, I smaller than count minus 1, I plus plus. For this, we will check. First of all, we have to transfer this here. N is equal to org, because what happened? What happens here? After all, CNN, sorry, CNN. Oh, sorry, my bad. I think I should take here CCN. But still, I don't know why the error is there. Okay, see, if I CCN in here, what happens? CCN becomes 0. So now, if you want to get a original value, original credit card number, so we have to put this number into this. Okay. So what happened? Now it become if condition here, if statement. See what we have to write. CCN is equal to CCN divided by 10. At last, what happened here? If CCN equal to PRE, prefix. What you are writing? Prefix. Okay, prefix. So here we will write delete the token, insert. What the problem is going on? Okay, let's check later. Let we will clear this error. If CNN equal to prefix, what will happen here? System dot out dot println yes, the credit card number is valid. Okay, otherwise in else part, else no, the credit card number is not valid. Okay, in this else, what we have to write? No, the credit card number is not valid. I don't know why the error is coming. Let we discuss CCN valid CCN. Okay, let's run the program. What will be the error will be there? What is happening there? Integer number is too long. Okay, let's check the what is the capacity for uh, long. See, no, it is more than 16 digit, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 34. Yeah, it is more than. Store the whole number. So what is a problem here? CNN. Type of int is out of range. It is not okay. Type of int, but I had taken the long. See, let me check the spelling. See, long, store a whole value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's okay. For double. Okay, let's consider. I don't know why. Okay, let's fix this problem first. I just copy paste and go to the chat GTP. Let's see what chat GTP will give. Okay, sorry, chat GPT. Let's put this error because this long is valid. Okay, this long is valid, but I don't know why it is giving error. Okay, let's run again. Again, it is given error. Okay. Okay, let's check. Let's copy paste this here. Let's see what chat GTP will give. Correct the error. Okay, see what will happen. Long CNN. So I given the long. Add L prefix here as well. Okay, what L? So I should write long. No, this is not the right way. Okay, L here as well. Okay, okay, got it. You have to write here for long. Okay, so I also learned some new thing. Oh, what? But how it is possible, I don't know. But at long, at C++, we need not write to L. We did not write to write here L. But in Java, okay, something learn it. Yeah, I also know something good one. Okay, let's check what will happen here. So now the CN, the credit card number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 12. So what happened here? What happened here? Let's check. First of all, it will count the number. This logic for count the digit from number. Okay, count the digit for a number. So it will count here in C in count plus plus. Okay, now what happened? If the count is greater than equal to 12 and 16, smaller than equal to 16, if the condition is true, then it will go inside and this logic for find the prefix. Okay, prefix. As of now, I consider prefix as 4. But after executing this, I will change this number. Let's try what will happen here. Okay. So now for I consider the number with starting of prefix, it will go here. Yeah, it is equal to this will run this code. Okay. See what will happen here. Not again, man. What happened? Now I written the perfect code. What happened here? Yeah. Yes, the credit card is valid. Okay. Now let's see what will happen. Let's see if if what happened if I do change in 3. Okay, do one thing. I will write here CCN. Okay, what will happen here? What will happen here? And let's consider I'm taken the 0 means now it's become 13 number, 13 digit of number. What happen here? This it will count and it will count here 13. Now after that, what it will check? It will check if count is greater than equal to 12 and less than equal to 16. Yeah, this condition is true because our digit is 13 now. After that, it will find the prefix of this digit. Okay, the prefix will store here CNN. What happened? It will check the prefix. What we have to prefix? We have written the prefix should be 4. The now what will happen here? CNN will be here. Prefix will be 3. So of course, this condition will be false, and definitely it will jump to the else part. No, the credit card number is not valid. Let's check the run system again. It will run. I will run it. What's happened now? No, the credit card number is valid. Okay, let's check. Let's consider as if I taken the okay 3 only. Let's keep 3 only. If the number is I took less than 12, what will happen here? What will happen now? Definitely the first condition after counting the logic, the first condition will be false. Okay. So definitely first condition will be false. It will not go inside the if statement. It directly jump to the else one. Directly jump to the else one. Then this line of code will be run. No, the credit card number is invalid. Let's check. No, the credit card number is invalid. Okay. If what happened if I change the prefix? Now let's consider I took a prefix 6. So again, the number is invalid because I have taken the 11. Let's type 97. 97. Okay, let's happen. Now what will happen? The number is of course greater than 12. So now greater than 12. So it will satisfy this kind of condition will be true. It will go inside this statement. Okay, inside this statement. What happened? We have taken the prefix 6, but now the prefix is 3. So definitely here it will count, find the prefix, and here the prefix is not equal to the CCN will not equal to the prefix because now we consider as prefix is 6 and we have the prefix is 3. Okay, definitely it will not work. The first statement means false, it will jump to the else part. So no credit card will be valid. Yeah, see. Oh, what happened? Yeah, sorry. Now let's check. See, no. So this is how the if else if ladder, sorry, not if else if ladder, the nested if else is work. Okay. So did you understand the logic behind this? And again, I'm telling that this logic, counting the digit from number, it is very, very important. Okay. It is very, very important. It will definitely help you in DSN. Okay. So let's jump to the another question. What happened? Promotion. Check whether an employee is eligible for promotion based on the performance scores and attendance. Okay. Okay, okay. This question also okay. So easy, not so difficult. Yeah. I don't know why my employee is written in hard way. So I'm copy paste this question. Let's jump to the board, whiteboard. Let me write here. Let me write here. Okay. Check whether the employee is eligible for promotion based on performance scores and attendance. So see, first of all, what we have to check. First of all, we have to give for criteria to attendance. Okay. If if attendance attendance is greater than 75, then only the employee has a eligible for promotion. Okay, and the performance scores also no. So we have to check performance. First we condition check attendance. After that, what we have to check for score. If the score is less considered greater than 80, if the score is greater than 80, okay, so that only, so that time only it is possible for eligible for promotion, otherwise not. It is very simple. First of all, we have to check the attendance. In attendance, in the nested in the nested statement condition, we have to check for the course. Okay, score, sorry, score. If the scores is greater than 18, of course, then condition will be true. It is so simple, yeah. So let's Java. Let's write here. Okay. First of all, copy paste this. Okay, first of all, remove this. What should I the eligible for promotion? Eli promo. Okay, Eli promo. Okay, let's save this file. So now let's consider list presentee. Okay, attendance. Attendance. Okay, let's consider attendance is 80% and score SCR score. Let's consider 90%. 90% for now. So let's do if AT attendance is greater than 75, not equal to 75. We have to find greater than 75. Then we will write here if SCR is greater than 90%, but not equal to 90%. On that time, dot system dot out dot print system dot out dot print. We have to write eligible for promotion. Okay, otherwise in else part we have to write not eligible for promotion. Again, if else condition we have to write if the attendance is less than 75, then of course. So for now, let's run the code. What will happen here? Now let's take the attendance is 80%, scores is 90%. Okay, 90. The attendance is greater than 75. Yes, the condition will be true. It will jump to the compiler will jump to the this if condition. If again it will check the score. If the score is greater than no, we have to sorry, we have to write here 80%. If the score is greater than 80%, of course the score is 90, it is greater than 80%, the system will go compiler will run this line of code eligible for promotion. Okay, just run eligible for promotion. What happened if the criteria attendance criteria is below 75%? Okay, let's 40%. Of course, the first condition, the first if else condition will not work. Okay, this statement will not work. It will directly jump to the else one. So it will definitely print not eligible for promotion. Not eligible for promotion. Okay. So now if I taken the more than 79, let's consider 79. It's of course the first condition will be true. Here, if the score is less than 80, so what will the answer? Attendance is more than 75. Yeah, of course the condition is true. It will go to this if condition. Here, score is not greater than 80%. Of course, so this condition will not run the false statement. This else statement will run. Means this system dot out dot print not eligible for promotion. See the system not eligible for promotion. Okay, this is how the logic for this problem solving this question. So now let's jump to the another whiteboard. Okay, so finally what we complete the nested if else. Now switch case, which is very important. Okay, which is very important. Okay, let's discuss about switch case. What's happened in switch case? See, let me open the file, the whiteboard. See what is switch case. In switch case, switch case or switch statement, whatever, what happened. See, if we go to the restaurant, okay, if we go to the restaurant, okay, and we have to select main course, okay, let's consider as one. If I at one we keep Chinese, Chinese. At two we keep burger, okay. At three we keep soup, okay. At four I keep like what should I keep? Pizza, okay. So this is a four different code, okay, four different code. Let me write clearly, okay. Okay, let's consider first of all Chinese. This is a code for Chinese. And for second burger, this is a code for burger. And third pizza, this is a code for pizza. And let's drink, okay. So this is a code for drink. So what happened if the customer come to the restaurant, okay, so he want to know about the all the price detail of the Chinese. If you want to know all the price detail of the burger, pizza, and drink, what will the half plate or full plate? Okay, what happened? Previously, what we learn? Previously, we learn if else if ladder. Okay, using if else if ladder, it is possible to do this code. Okay, it is very possible to do this code. First of all, we compare if the customer choosing the pizza. First of all, we will compare this. If the customer choice and the Chinese equal, then it will jump to the if else. Again, it will compare. If it will jump to the next place, again it will compare. Yeah, now it will true. Then it will show this menu. But what happened? The compiler will compile this and this and this, and there is a lot of menu. Means lot of dishes are available, more than 100. So not compiler will go one by one and check. It is not possible. It will lots of money. It will time. It will take more time complexity. Okay, lot of time it will take to execute the code. So so better to use this if else if ladder. We will use switch case or switch statement. So here what will happen here, the customer if you want to know if you customer want to know more details about the burger, we will the burger it will not compare each and every dish. It will directly the compiler will directly jump to the burger. Okay, directly jump to the burger. If the customer want to drink something and want to see the many prices and the dishes, sorry, variety of the dishes. So if the compiler, what will happen? If the drink want by the user, the compiler directly jump to the code of the drink. So it will not compare each and every dishes. Okay. So this is how the switch case is very, very important and very means as compared to the if else if ladder, the switch case is very important because it reduces the time complexity, execution of the execution of the time. Okay. For this, what will be the syntax? Let me write here. See, for switch, first of all, we have to write switch, and what we have to write? We have to write expression. Okay. In this, we have to write expression. What is expression? Let me tell you. Wait a minute. We have to write expression. So expression means if the customer want burger, so here burger should be there. So it directly jump to the burger. Let me sir. So this is for the syntax. Let me write for syntax here. This is a switch case. Okay. In closing and opening bracket, we have to write expression. Okay. Then open the curly bracket. Right here case. case, right here case, and we have to write here in single inverted comma the expression we have to write. Okay, expression, and that statement, statement what we what it will be print here, statement 1, 1, and then break. Again, for for case, we have to write here expression again. Okay, expression means, see, if the this is written for the case, this case, okay, I write in a burger. Okay, for burger there is a statement what we have to print, and we have to break the compiler. Again for the drink, we have to write drink here. The in statement 2 means, it's a line of code. Okay, here we have to write the menu of the code. So menu of the drink. So when the user want to know more about the drink, the compiler will directly jump to the this case, drink case, and show the menu of the all the drink case. Okay, then break. Okay, so like it is, so many of the dishes can be add, and for the they have the specific statement. Okay, and break. At the last, at the last, we have the default statement. Here is a statement for default. Okay, and no break, then we have to close the bracket. So this is a syntax for the switch case. This is a syntax for the switch case. Got it? Okay, let me show some example. Okay, let me show some example. Let's try to solve the question, as well as solving you will definitely understand. First, write a program to determine the season based on the input month. Okay, see, month. It is very easy code. And if I execute this code, if I write this code, definitely you will understand the what is a switch case. Okay. Okay. Let me give the name for month number. Okay. month number, month number. Let's copy and let's save this file number. Okay. So what happened? What is your question? Write determine the see. Let's consider int uh user value. Okay, user value. Okay, let's consider user value is 6. Let's now currently I'm taking as consider it. So now let's go to the switch. Now yes, WIT switch. First we have to write switch, and here we have to write user. What will be the user will be right here, directly jump into statement. So after that user we have to write in curly brackets. Okay, we have to write in the curly bracket, like let's consider as case 1. For 1, let's write here case 1. So we have to give this 2 dot what. Yeah, this is not a what we said. Sorry, I don't know what we say here. We have to give 2 dots. Okay, sorry, I'm forget what type of syntax it means. I forget this name of this 2 dot. Okay, after that go down, system system dot out dot println right here for the first month. We have to write what is our question? Write a program to determine season based on the input month number. If I put the 1, there should be print January. If I put the 3, there should be print March. Okay, for month January. Okay, understood? For month is Jan. Now break. Okay, for same as it is until 12, number of 12 we have to do. Let me copy paste it. Copy paste. Let's consider 2. So right here for 2, right here Feb for February. Okay, right here again, right here for test case 3, we will write March. For 4, April. Okay, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, for 5, it should be May. 5, for 6, it should be June. For 7, it should be July. For 8, August. For 9, August, September. Oof, it's so lengthy. October, November. Finally, the December came. For 12, it is December. Okay, what will happen here? See what happened if user input the value 6. 6 means June. So what happened in switch case, the user value will be here. The user what here? Here 6 will come. What compiler will do? The compiler will directly jump to the case 6 here. Sorry, case 6 here. Because the value in the here is 6, expression is 6, it directly jump to the case 6. Okay. And what happened? This line will print here, June. Now the break. Okay, and last we have to write some default, default. Default. For default, I think we have to print. Let's consider number is invalid. Number is invalid. Okay, okay, got it. Let's run this program. For now, the answer will be June. Okay, see, let's run this program. June. If the user input take 12, 12 means December. So what happened here? Expression will be given by 12. He directly jumped to the case 12. Case 12. And what it will print? It will print December. See, December. And what is the meaning of default? If what we have to write, we have given the case from 1 to 12. If the user put 13, if user put the 13, so of course there is a no month of 13. At last, at the last, the December is there. After that, no month. So by mistake, if the user put the 13th, it will jump to the default. No, the number we will write number is invalid. Okay, number is invalid. So here, see, number is invalid. So not only for 13, let me take many numbers. Okay, let's say 1785. 1785. Of course, it will give invalid because in 1785 in this switch we did not have we did not have cases for 1785, so it directly jumped to the default one. If no cases are there, it directly jump to default one. Okay, so let's consider if what happened if I return. Okay, if I what happened if I in the case 2. Okay, let's consider case 3. If I cancel the break, what will happen? Okay, let's consider what will happen. See, cancel the break. If I put the input value to, what it will print? It will print Feb, because 2 is Feb. Okay, but if I print 3, so it should be print March. If I print 3, it should be print March. Okay, March. But he did not print only March. It print March as well as April. What happened if compiler jumped to the case 3? He did not get a statement break, because he did not get the statement break, so he directly jumped to the case 4. So what happened if I put case 6, and if there is a no break statement, it will continue the cases. It continue the cases after 6. What is available? It will available 7. It will display 7 July month. If here also no cases will be there, no break statement will be there, so what happened? Again compiler will jump to the 8 case. If case 8 also no break statement is there, so it will jump to the 9th. So this is why important of break, which break the switch, if the all the code, if all the cases of this, not all the cases, if this line of code is executed, okay, then it will, we have to write break, otherwise it will continuously compile all the code. So this is the use of break. So this is a code for to determine the season base in as inputted number. Okay. So let's consider what will happen if I take a character. Okay. See, let's consider. Okay. Let me see some problems are there available as compared to character. Implement the no. There is star plus here. Okay. See, I will give in the one example. See, let's consider I am, yeah, removing this much of code. Okay. Remove this much of code. See what will happen here. If I just want to show more example for that. So the sketch, what happened here, we are taking integer variable, but it also used for the character variable. Okay, just I'm taking the example for this. Okay, for character, if I had taken the character J, if character J, so here we have to write J. So let's consider J or small j. Okay, we will write in this bracket. Okay, let's copy paste this. See what happened? J. If I write F here for February and capital F here, let's consider March here. Let's consider April here. So let's check. So I'm just want to say that this is not only valid for integer, this is valid for everything. Okay. Now what happened here? Let me check. Yeah, okay, let me check if I write this in J. What is okay? Let me run. Let me run. What will be the bad operator type binary? Oh, not for binary. It is. I'm not going the or. Yeah, no, I'm going the or only now because I want to check or one. If this. But I want to check if just the okay, okay, let's remove this. Okay, let's check in compiler, not compiler, in ChatGPT. If you did not understand, just take a help of AI. Okay, just take a help of AI. Of what I done? No, no, no. Yeah, I did this. He's actually the question was there, so he's solving that question. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. So in case, okay, in switch case only there will be no operator will be used. There will be only single value should be there. A single data should be there. So we have to write this code in this way. Okay, okay, got it, got it. So let me copy paste this. Okay, let me copy paste. Okay, even I was also unaware from this. Yeah. So this is the code of. Okay, this is a code for this. So yeah, January, J for January. So now I also got to know new something here. So here operator will be not work. Here we have to write case like that. If of course I told you at previous only, if there is no break, so definitely compiler goes compiler all the code. So that's why in case J there will be no case here break. So in if I put the small capital J, definitely it will jump here, but there is no break, so it will definitely jump continuously jumping new case. Okay, okay. So okay, understand? So it will also work for character also. Okay, now let's do new. Okay, let's see what will happen here. The next question is implement the simple calculator support. Okay, okay, okay. It's very simple, very simple. Yeah, it's very simple. The question is, okay, we have to calculate the operator. Okay, we have to make a calculator. Okay, it's very, very easy, very easy. It's very easy. Let me keep like this only. So what happened here? We have to calculator. Okay, support operation. Okay, let's see. Calculator. Okay, cal calci. Okay, let's calci. So what's happened here? So we have to take your user from this. So let's consider we have to make a calculator like set int a is equal to 6, A and T. A is equal to 6, A and T B is equal to 9. Let's take, okay, what will happen here? Like this 9 and this will take, see what will, first of all we have to make case what, for addition, system dot out dot print A plus B. Okay, for same for case, how many type of, 1 2 3 4 5, okay 5. Okay, so one for this addition, second for is for subtraction, third is for multiplication, fourth is for division, and fifth is for remainder. Okay, so here we have to change what, why I'm doing the spelling mistake, man. Okay, and yeah, we have to give break, otherwise default we have to gray. What we will write here, invalid, invalid, what, invalid operator. Op okay, see what will happen here. The syntax definitely you will understand what is going on here. So now let's see, if the user given if a user given operator add, if we want to add this number, so definitely user given the addition 9 2, it will the, what will be the output, 11. See 11. If the user will given the minus, what will the output, 7. If the user is given the into, let's into, what will the output, 18. If the user will given the division, then what will the output, 4.5. Yeah, 4 because we have taken the integer value. Okay, then if I given user given the mod, the what will be the output, 1, because a mod 2 it will give 1. So it is also very easy. Okay, so let's jump to the another one, another question. The question is, write okay, let's go to this. Create a great calculator that take a letter A to F and provide feedback. Of course, same as it is what we done in the previous one. Okay, still I'm going to show you. Same this month one. We have to take a letter and we have to do it. Okay, same. Let's do copy paste this only. What we are, A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, again more, E, F. Let's consider here E, F. Yeah, I really hate this. Okay, what will happen? What A, B, C, D? A, small a, capital A. Small b, capital B. Small c. You can watch this video in 2x also, okay? Because I know it is taking a lot of time. And even my typing speed also so slow. Okay, so now number is invalid. So what will happen here? Let's consider if the outstanding, outstanding. Okay, for this, for B grade, we will say excellent. Okay, excellent, excellent. Okay, sorry for the spelling mistake. Excellent, and let's say very, very good, good, need to improve, fail, fail. Okay, okay. So let's give the name for that. Grade. Okay, grade, grade. What will happen? See, we will see. So if the now input is we are taking A, so there should be outstanding. See, outstanding. If I had taken the input F, so there should be fail. So this is very easy. This is a same concept as month number. Great. Okay. Now let's last is implement a menu. Implement a menu driven program for the restaurant ordering system with multiplication. Okay. So what will be the logic? I think, wait a minute. Implement a menu-driven program for a restaurant ordering system with a multiple categories. See, what I had given the example, the first example I have given. So that only. Okay, let's do it. The same example when where the previously the few minutes ago I explained you. See here, the burger, pizza, and drink at all. Same example. Okay, let's do it. Let's copy this question. Let's copy this question. Okay. Let me copy this question. Okay, yeah, see, it's same question that I explained you before. Java hash. Okay, implement. It's very easy, very easy. And okay, I will definitely copy this and copy paste, and just we have to change the expression, and all the syntax are same. It's not any kind of difficult and hard one. See, if you know the syntax, okay, you can write every code very easily, but we have to improve your logic building. Okay, in previously just we what we done, we count the number of digit in an integer. So we have to think for this, the how it is possible. See, anybody can, everybody can learn this syntax. Okay, it is very easy, but for just improve your logic building. Okay, sometimes you forget your syntax, doesn't matter, but please improve your logic building. It is very important to okay, it is all. Okay, sorry. We have to change the name. Yeah, Resto. Resto. Okay, for the restaurant, I had given the name Resto. Okay, for Resto, I gonna just copy here. So save it. So what the question? Menu drive. Okay, let's add burger. Burger burger. Let's cancel this. Okay, let's cancel this here. Burger. And here I write Here I will write pizza. Okay, and here I will write this section. I will write drink, drink, and here I will write pizza, burger. Okay, sandwich, which is my very favorite. This sandwich is very favorite to me. I like this sandwich so much. Okay, let's consider this is on this much only. So what we will write right here? Let's write menu for burger. Okay, menu for burger. Okay, write down what we'll write here. Same menu for pizza. Okay, what we will write here? Menu for drink. Okay, same as it is. Menu for sandwich. Okay, very simple. Just what happened here? What is wrong? And we will write no such dishes are available in my restaurant. Okay, let's consider restaurant. Okay, let's I delete this. But okay, let me put if the user put mm, non-veg. Okay, non-veg. Okay, for what we have to take a string and of course, sorry, I forget. So we have to take a string, 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 and we have to write user. And in this, we have to put what? Let's take non-veg, and we don't have any kind of non-veg here. Yeah, uh, chicken, chicken. Let's take chicken. Sorry, what happened here? Menu sandwich. Okay, let's write here something. If I give in a curly bracket, what will happen? Yeah. Okay. Sorry, for string, we have to write in a double double comma. Okay, that double comma, not comma. What we used to say? Double inverted comma. Okay. For a character, we have to write in single inverted comma. For the string, we have to write in double inverted comma. Okay. Over. Let's check chicken. So definitely chicken is not available in any case. So there will be show no such dishes are available in my restaurant. See, no such dishes are available in my restaurant. Okay. If I write here drink, let's see what will be there. Menu for drink. Okay. If I write here pizza, so definitely it will give menu for pizza. Okay. Menu for pizza. Okay. Sorry, I write here spelling wrong. So that's why. Okay. So menu for pizza. So it is very easy. Okay. It is very easy. And this is not so much hard question. I don't know why my employer keep questioning very hard topics. Okay. Let it be. So so at previous video and as well as today's video, mostly I covered two question of each intermediate question and hard question. Intermediate question, hard question of each topic. Two question, and the remaining questions. Just try to practice and try to do it by yourself. Okay. If any kind of logic, any kind of question you are not able to do, just just contact with me in the telegram. Just join my telegram channel. I will give in the description. Even in telegram channel, I will give this question sheet. Okay, actually I have already uploaded this question sheet. Just go in my telegram channel, and if you want to personally contact with me, just contact with my Gmail ID. Okay, just test, just Gmail me if you want to contact with me. Okay, I will give the Gmail ID in my description. And again, at the last, I want to say something. I am going to start my DSA basic to advanced. Basic to advanced. Okay, DSA for basic to advanced. Okay, so with lead code question, for lead code question, I will discuss with you how to solve the lead code question. Means basic, from basic to advanced, we need a lot of logic skill, problem solving skills. Okay, so please improve your logic skill, solving skill, like that today video, how to we build a logic for how to calculate the number of digit in a number. Okay, so such type of logic, improve the logic skill to do the DSA, to crack the problems of the DSA question, problem solving lead code question. Okay, because for the placement it is very very important DSA, and for the product based company, PBC's company, for higher package, the lead code question to solving the problem solvings of the lead code question is very very important. Just do it to yourself. Just try to build your logic. Okay, just try to build your logic. So l- now, so I completed the condition statement. Okay, completed the conditional statement and if else statement in previous video. Okay, and today I completed the if else statement, if else if ladder, nested if else, and switch. So all the conditional statement I have completed. Okay, in I think in next lecture I will be going to teach the concept of loop. Okay, loop with two question of each, and on that time I will definitely check my question sheet properly, because the question sheet was not properly separated as per their topic. Okay, I will definitely I will definitely ensure that question sheet. Okay, so I will provide question sheet of loop also. In between, I'm going to upload some basics problem solving. Okay, problem solving, how to solve the problem. Because this video, see, this video, I'm making this like conditional statement for loops. Okay, this is for the basic one. For beginner, okay, beginner also watch this video. For I just uploading, making this video conditional statement loops, and again I will be uploaded for, I will make video for methods in Java. So this is I'm making for the revision purpose. So because I'm going to start the DSA problem solving, so before, you should know the concept of this loop, conditional statement, method. So I'm not going so much as deeply, just as much as basically I'm teaching if statement, if a statement, if a slider, nested if, and switch. Okay, so next video I'm going to upload for loop one. Okay, and in between I am uploading the video of problem solving, basic problem solving. Okay, I'm not going so much far, I'm not means so difficult. The basic one I'm going to upload. Okay, so thank you for this today's video, and subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, just click on the like button, and for the more notification, for the no more notification, click on the my bell, means click on the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much.